Several people have mentioned that they would like to be able to screen print the repair tab. They don't always want the Excel export. They like to see the side-by-side comparison of the calculated numbers to the override numbers, which is not available in the export to Excel that we have. So some people want to screen print this this actual tab, and so using the Google Chrome browser, you can actually do that. If you don't know how to finagle things, you might not get the result you want. So I'm going to give you a little trick for how to do this. So I'm in Google Chrome, and up here in the corner, there's a drop-down menu that when you click on it, shows print as an option. But if you print the screen in its current format where the hovering maximum offer calculator is still displayed, it will actually try to print that. It'll make a big mess on your screen print. So here's a trick. What you have to do is collapse the screen size so that that little calculator goes away. When it gets small enough, the max offer calculator will disappear. So now, go back up, now that that's gone, go back up to the print, and you're going to print this to a PDF. You'll load the preview up, you'll be able to see exactly what's going to show up. And as you can see, it's essentially what's on the screen. It actually is a nice format because it takes away some of the background colors and it makes it black and white. So you save that to your desktop or wherever you want to keep it. And there's a screen print of the repair tab. Now, there's another thing that we don't even offer as an export, and that is the ROI report. So this has also come up. Hey, I would like to be able to have a copy of the ROI report to hand out to people. Maybe investors, maybe potential sellers, and you want to see the numbers, you want to show them the numbers, and you want to be able to give them a printed copy of them. Right now, we don't offer report printing as part of our feature package, but there is another workaround for this. And if you were paying attention on the first one, it's essentially the same thing. I would open up all these collapsible categories, or the ones that you want to display anyway, and I would just show the categories you want. You can, if you don't know, you can update all this information however you want, depending on what your interest rate is and what your loan costs are, all that good stuff. That's really another tutorial video. But for this video, we're going to do a screenshot of just this report. Same thing. You go to the print, upper right hand corner of your Google Chrome browser. You'll see a print preview pop up, and this actually looks pretty good too. When this preview shows, you'll be able to see that it's a nice black and white printout of exactly what's on your screen with all the color removed. This is probably just my computer running slow, but here we are. So exactly what you see on the screen, expand it out so you can hand this off to business partners, hard money lenders, sellers if you want, whomever. But that's all you have to do. Pretty simple. The big trick is remembering on that repair tab, you have to collapse the screen size a little bit, just make your browser window a little bit smaller, make that little calculator go away, and as soon as it does, you can print that without the messy side panel that will show up. It's kind of it's a funny look whenever you print it like that. So that's all for this one. I'm going to make some more of these and help you guys figure out how to use this a little bit better, and look for more information soon.